Hey judges, it's my checking in with video 3 for the holistic category, and I want to talk about Jacqueline's treatment today. So after we did her double cleanse, I went in and exfoliated with a gentle papain enzyme without steam. This is derived from papaya at less than 1% and can actually help repair the skin barrier. Papain only digests non-living cells, leaving healthy cells intact, which reduces irritation and allows the barrier to recover. By clearing away these dead cells, hydrating ingredients can penetrate more effectively, helping to restore the barrier's ability to retain moisture. This encourages cell turnover, helping to bring those healthy cells to the surface. Papain is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which help to soothe redness and calm inflamed skin. When inflammation is reduced and cell turnover is improved, this can really help to reestablish healthy processes that can really help repair the skin barrier. Once I removed the enzyme, the sebum was softened, and then I went in with extractions with cotton-wooded tips. After extractions, I swiped with an antibacterial, and then I went in with high frequency. This device generates ozone, which affects the bacterial cell membrane, ultimately causing the membrane components to be damaged, destroying both lipoproteins and lipopolysaccharides. This chain reaction causes the bacterial fungi to die within a short amount of time, reducing inflammation and visibly improving acne. This means the technology doesn't leave any leftover waste or cause any new pollution. I decided to opt out of any red or blue light therapy because I didn't want to stimulate her melasma, so I decided to go in with cryotherapy. Cryotherapy is a great treatment to reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and encourage collagen production in the skin. When applied to the skin, the intense cold from the wand prompts the body to produce more collagen. This exposure to extreme cold also constricts blood and lymphatic vessels. This constriction tones the vessels, enhancing overall circulation. This also helps to reduce swelling and redness, making it great for acne, rosacea, and melasma. After the session, the vessels expand rapidly, causing a rush of oxygenated, nutrient-rich blood back to the skin surface. This improved circulation helps in flushing out toxins and delivering essential resources for healing. This really helps the skin repair itself more efficiently. I finished off with a mineral sunscreen to protect the skin. She left with moderate erythema, especially in those areas I extracted, and I'll keep you guys updated next week.